Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the email on your Mobile Legends account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Changing the email of your Mobile Legends account is easy. When you are on the main dashboard of the app, tap your profile icon from the top left. Select Account from the left sidebar. On the account page, tap Account Center. Here you can select Change Moonton Account Email Address. You will need to receive a confirmation link at your old email address before you can change it. Tap Send the email now. Open your email and find the Change Email link. On this page, enter your new email address and then tap Send Code. A code will be sent to your new email address. Enter it in here and tap Confirm. Your Mobile Legends email address has been updated. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mobile Legends tips and tricks.